God, why do I do this for a living? Is your Beko Tumbled Dyer leaking water on the floor? Are the clothes steaming, but the water container not filling? Or have you got the water light coming on, but there is no water in the container? Have a look at this pipe that came off the machine. Such a simple fix. This tube that comes off here is completely blocked. And I can, if I put this here for you so you can see. At least it saves 300 quid on buying a new machine. Look at the dirt that has come out of that. Absolutely incredible. And this is so simple to clean, but it's understanding where all the holes are. There are over 4 drainage holes on these tumble dryers that need to be kept clear. The full maintenance video will show you where they all are.